fantastic, isn't it? All right. And we're going to recreate the back here. So let me get up my page. So let me grab my IFA, PDF, import options, page 2. All right, so we're working on the back page here, page 2. All right, and the question is, how do you do this? All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a box the same size as this image, and I'm going to bring the image in, which I think is this one. Okay, and I'm going to fill the frame proportionally. And I want to scoot this over a little bit. Okay, so here's that image, and here's the type right here, right? So let me do this. Let me grab my text. That's this guy right here. And I'm not going to scale the text necessarily, or I'm just going to get it set up. So this is what it does, right? Okay? And what we have to do is we have to tell this text to wrap around this box. All right? And it's actually really easy. If you click the box, you'll notice under my properties, right over here, I have something called text wrap. And if I click on this right here, which is wrap around the bounding box, when I do that and I drop this image, it now pushes the text away. Okay, don't go anywhere yet, Jordan. It's not done. All right? I can then take this type, and I think it's like 10 point, and I can change my justification to be full justified like this. All right? And I take this box and bring it over to the margin and take the image and drop it over. Now, you'll notice I did something there that you didn't see. So right now I have my text, which is actually over my image. I can't grab my image. See that? So obviously I can go to Object, Arrange, and send the text behind it. Yes, that's pretty simple. Okay? But here's the thing. Okay? In Illustrator, in InDesign, I keep doing that. They don't have this in Illustrator, and I really wish they did. But all I have to do is hold the Command key down, and I can actually click, and I click to the thing below it, which is kind of nice. But, so I need my text wrap set up. So I'm going to grab my text and pull it to my margin, and I'm going to grab my image. And here's my text wrap. Well, now all I need to do is I have control of the top, the bottom, the left, and the right text wrapping. So I can just bump this over until it goes where I want it to. All right, and I can move this until I can adjust. And then I can also unlock it. All right, and I can bring this one down closer. All right, and I can move it around until it goes where I want it to. So it's called a text wrap. Now, also on the back side is this delightful little piece here. All right, all you're going to do is create a box. All right, that has a white fill. Oop, not a stroke. All right. That has a white fill. And then you're going to go to Object and go to Effects and hit a drop shadow. That's all. Okay? And you'll have a little drop shadow. Now, I don't want that to be so high, so I'm going to change my distance a little bit. All right? And then I can turn it. Now, why do you need a white box? Because if you don't have a white box, you don't get a drop shadow. Oddly enough, okay? Now that I have that, then I can actually create a box and put my image on top of it. Does that make sense to everybody? Just a couple of simple little things in the back. So it's a text wrap, all right, and a drop shadow on the back.